Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seeds, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. Now, this is a Rainbowseed maintenance weekly light body calibration. Let's dig into what the goal is for this week's light body focus. What is your light body focusing on this week? Rhythmic cycles. It is focusing on rhythmic cycles. I love that you can see the sun and the different planets. So I'm getting a sense of lunar cycles, which as I am recording, we are ending a cycle and we'll be beginning a cycle over the weekend. We recently just entered an equinox cycle, so getting out of the solstice cycle. Astrologically, the sun is in Aries, about to be in Taurus. We're getting deeper into the beginning of the astrological new year. So lots of different cycles. And it's saying your light body is focusing on tuning in with your physical body, with the earth and this planet's physical cycles, also the moon and sun cycles. Right away, when I think of the moon and sun, I'm also thinking of the natural cycles your tropical or Western astrology chart focuses on versus your sidereal or Vedic chart, and as well as your Chinese chart. Your Chinese chart focuses on the moon and sun, so solar and lunar aspects. So if you follow astrology, or if you've hired a galactic shamanic astrologer, fixating on not just what your placements are for your sun sign, but what are your other placements and how are they assisting in these new goals that are entering this new cycle for you. So it really feels like you've already entered a new timeline, and this timeline you engage in cycles differently. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically within these new cycles? Where are you being upgraded energetically within these new cycles? Ooh, sacred mountain. Oh my goodness, sacred mountain. You guys, I literally just the other week offered a meditation with spirit, channeled through different spirits, a mountain meditation. But this is going on a vision quest. And man, the synchronicity of going on a vision quest during new cycles, you're really touching base with spirit and getting clarity and truth from your nervous system. I feel as though in the past there was a lot of attempting to cover up what your nervous system was telling you to be true, but now you're not ignoring your physical symptoms. Now you're not ignoring Earth and its cycles, its natural cycles, and there's an upgrade for deeper healing. So I definitely would go on a vision quest. Oh, that's so stunning. And if you've never been on a vision quest, or if you are wanting to be guided on a vision quest, go to Spotify, Being Cosmic Chaos, and every Monday I provide a meditation, and there are select vision quests for you, typically around the new moon time. Now let's see which chakra needs maintenance. which chakra is going to need maintenance as you are diving into this deeper sense of healing. You're recognizing your physical cues when your nervous system says, hey, we need more truth in this area, or hey, we need healing in this area. There's no more covering up these natural cycles that your physical vessel is intended to go through on this planet. So let's see what chakra. Third eye, pineal perspective. There is a third eye need for attention. I love this because the beginning of this week during this recording, Mercury went in conjunction with Neptune. That's that inner standing of how you express your natural abilities and how you perceive yourself. Then the next day, Mercury sextile Uranus. Now your expressions are encouraging you to share these natural abilities with everyone else. So it's really beautiful to see that the planets around us are actively supporting you and your perspective for the highest perspective and the most truthful healing. If you're wanting to work more with your third eye placements, check out your Neptune and Uranus placements. Oh my goodness, how exciting, you guys. So this feels like a gentle awakening to your truth and to your physical truth. I find it hilarious because there are many beings that view a spiritual awakening as if their spirit is waking up, when it's quite opposite. Your spirit has been aware of your mission, your assignments, everything happening. It's your physical vessel and your logical mind and your lower dimensional perception that needs the awakening, not your spirit. So it feels really like all physical aspects of yourself and how you perceive the world around you on this planet is beginning to wake up. Now, who is supporting your manifestations this week? Who is supporting this vision quest? A dolphin baby. A dolphin baby is supporting this vision quest. So it's not a baby per se, but it is a dolphin being. So if you resonate with being a Lemurian being, this is your love body. Clients that work with me, my Lemurian clients, this is saying it's time to meditate and go on a vision quest with your dolphin love body. If you are not Lemurian, then a dolphin spirit guide is assisting you in tapping into deeper healing, more truth, and honestly having fun in life. This spirit being is really showing that there is a need for playfulness, and there has been such a focus of burying your nervous system and masking to be okay, where now it's okay if you're not okay, but why not shift your physical life to have more moments where your nervous system is settled, your nervous system can relax and have fun. Ooh, wow. Now let's see for this alignment. For more deep healing that is pleasant and regulating of the nervous system, and to really engage with this third eye awakening for your physical vessel, what do we need to align this through self-care? Realm Bridger. This feels very aligned. Realm bridging, because in the vision quest, you are going somewhere else, a different realm, and your third eye your pineal gland and your pituitary gland are working together to bridge that. So the more you work with your natural abilities, the more you work with your perspective of the planet you're in and the vessel your spirit is animating, the better care you will be taking for yourself. How exciting. And these can be key symbols: butterflies, a crescent moon, lotus, and even spheres. I'm even seeing scales. So this can either be dragon scales, mermaid scales, fish scales, as well as the flower of life. So exciting, you guys. Since I got Dolphin Baby, I'm wanting a more mermaid deck. This being also looks very aquatic. But I'm also seeing that sacred mountain. It's kind of holding Capricorn energies. So you may even be a Capricorn. I'm going to pull a card. These are extra cards. And I will reveal them for my Rainbow Sanctum Patreon members. Patreon page is Galactic Wisdom. I want to know more about this realm bridging. Justice. There is a sense of freedom coming in. There is a sense of, whatever perspective you have left, there is a lot of concern about how others perceived you. And now that frequency is being lifted. I can quite honestly see this dolphin self. This one really wants to come out. 9 of Wands. Yeah. Your spirit has been working really hard with you to shift this perspective that you've been feeling. You've been really concerned about how others view you. And it feels almost like that is the limitation. You are not naturally a limited person, but tapping into what others think about you has been the cap that you're getting out of. Let's get a message from Dolphin Baby. Gratitude. It's time to show more gratitude for your life and your perspective. There's been way too much focus on others and their view and what they're up to. That's none of your business. Your business is what you are going through, what Source is offering you, and all the motivation and effort you've been chugging away at. And this is going to, and has already set you free. But you've been so focused on what others are thinking and not practicing being grateful for these things that now I'm understanding why there's such a need for this vision quest. Is you need to seek and gain some clarity about your own path and stop worrying about what others think of your path. They're not walking your path. You're walking your path. Woo. Let's pull a key card. And then I'll explain that key card for my Patreon. Ooh, elves. We're getting playfulness. I will do a deeper dive on Galactic Wisdom about elves and even channel an elf being. Wow, awesome. Thank you so much for walking the wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow, angelic, star seed, or earth seed. And may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Again, tend your seeds, trust your light. I'll see you next time.